Next is Caitlin H. and Bree with Saturn.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Hilbert. I'll be talking about Saturn.
Hi, my name is Bree Freely. I'll be talking about Saturn too.
Saturn has been visited in flybys in the 1970s by NASA and in the 1980s, 81 by Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft. Did you know Saturn is the dad of Jupiter? Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It has a mean distance of 143 billion kilometers from the Sun. Saturn contains a liquid gas. It is an outer planet.
Saturn has 7 thin flat rings around it. A couple of planets have rings, but their rings are much harder to see. A 100-pound object on Earth would weigh 116 pounds on Saturn. So that means Saturn has more gravitational pull than Earth does. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, after Jupiter, making it about 95 times larger than Earth. Now to Luke and Ashley for breaking news.
Did you know Saturn has a big pink spot on it?
No, I did not. Do you know what it is?
Yeah, it is a big storm just like the one on Jupiter. And to you, Megan, on Saturn's moon.
Hi, my name is Megan Nelson. Saturn is very cold today. The temperature is 135 Kelvin. It is very stormy too. It is very windy with winds slightly more than 1,000 miles per hour. Now back to Emily and Wade.
That had a ring to it.
A lot of rings to it. So up next are some more rings. Here's Aaron with Uranus.
Hi, my name is Aaron Henders. Uranus is the 8th planet from the Sun. Uranus is 1,778 million miles from the Sun. They think a planet-sized object hit Uranus when the solar system was newly formed, so now it is tilted almost completely sideways. Uranus has at least 27 moons and 11 rings. The rings are made up of mostly dust, rock, and pieces of ice. Uranus is a big gas planet. Uranus doesn't have a solid surface. It is mostly made up of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. The color of Uranus is a blue-green color like this. March 13, 1781, astronomer named William Herschel discovered the planet Uranus but thought it might have been a comet. Uranus was the first planet to be discovered by a telescope. Now back to Megan.
Uranus is very cold today. Temperature is negative 315 Fahrenheit. It is very stormy too. It is storms as big as half the USA. Now back to Emily and Wade.
That was a sideways spin.
Next is Erica with Neptune.
My name is Erica and I'm going to be talking about Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It was named after the god of seas. The methane gas on Neptune gives it its blue color. Neptune is one of the solar system's gas giants. The great dark spot, like the great red spot on Jupiter. The storm has disappeared since Imagine was taken by Voyager 2 according to Hubble Space Telescope data, but another spot was found in a different place. Thanks and have a nice day. Now back to JCR Meyer for Neptune's weather.
Neptune is made of ice and gas. It has icy clouds and the fastest moving winds in our solar system. Very cold. It is negative 373 degrees Fahrenheit. Now back to Emily and Wade. That was bigger than an ocean.
And now we have Soren talking about Pluto.
Hello, my name is Soren Beckstrom and I will be talking about Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is even smaller than the Earth's moon. Pluto's revolution around the Sun takes 248 Earth years, which makes one Pluto year. This means that since it was discovered in 1930, it has not made a full rotation around the Sun since it was discovered. Pluto has 3 moons. Its largest is named Charon. Some people say that Charon and Pluto are double dwarf planets because they rotate around each other. In Greek, Pluto was known as the god of the underworld, otherwise known as Hades. Many things are still unknown about Pluto because it is so far away. that man cannot go and find out more about it. Now to JC Almayo with Pluto's weather.
Pluto is extremely cold because it is one of the farthest away from the sun. It is negative 393 degrees Fahrenheit. Now back to Emily and Wade.
That was dark.
Good one, Wade. Now to Nick with Eris.
Hello, this is Nick Puddin, and I will be talking about Eris. Eris is the largest dwarf planet. Eris has one moon called Dionysus. It was named after the daughter of goddess Eris. It is very cold there because it is so far away from the sun. It is so far away that the sun looks like a tiny star from Eris. It is 1,850 miles long, so it's quite small compared to the other planets. It is the biggest dwarf planet that has been discovered to this day. Eris also does not have any rings. Now to Connor with Eris's weather.
On Eris, it is colder than negative 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the coldest planet because it is so far away from the sun. Now back to Emily and Wade.
Thank you for rocketing into our newscast with Cedar Channel 218.
We enjoyed having you and hope that you enjoyed learning a little extra about space.